Hey guys, so I'm back in the Maverick again today, and I'm going to try another organizer for this Maverick, and it's made specifically for the Maverick, and it's this Emplist. Gosh, I don't know how to pronounce that. Emplist 2 organizer, but it's made for the Maverick, so let's give it a shot. Okay, so I already have an organizer in here, but this one's going to be a little bit different. So let's take a look at the old one. Oh shoot, I got a lot of junk in there. But the old one, let me dump out my junk. Looks like this. It's two levels. So it's two levels, one this thick and another one that's deeper in there. Let's take a look at that, and my junk in there. This comes out like that, and I still got more junk underneath there. So it's basically three levels, you know, the bottom level and two more that it comes with, and it sits on top like this. And most of them you see will be like that. So, you know, this one will be kind of half of this, but this new one's a little bit different. So the philosophy of this new one is that, you know, you're not going to lose the depth, so that you know, this one will give you more storage on the bottom than the previous one did. And in addition to that, put in these. Alright, so that's the way this tray looks. So it just goes on top. So you'll have a very deep storage area, and this just goes on top. So you still could stick in very bulky items. But in addition, it's got this tray right here that sits there first, and it sits on the outside right here. And you'll see it's able, make sure it's able to close, and it is. Let's take a look at that. So here's the tray, and it's, you know, you could see what it's for. It's for sunglasses primarily. Put in your sunglasses, at least that's what I think it's for, but I would imagine your wallet fits there pretty nicely, and your cell phone if you want to put a cell phone there too. But that's the fit. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so here's a close-up of what it looks like. So here's the storage bin, and that's all my junk underneath. And you can see there's still plenty of room down there for a lot of junk. This is a really deep storage that the Maverick has. And here is this extra storage that, you know, like I said, it's either for, you know, your sunglasses or your wallet or something like that. And underneath, let's see, that's the way it'll sit. So this is an extra storage that I got on top of that. So that's why I want to take that out. So most of your Mavericks will look something like this. In which case, I probably don't need this storage if I'm going to use this. So not bad. The fit is actually pretty nice. And yes, it closes no problem.